Hello, welcome to Food and Beyond. Today we are going to see how to make cottage cheese bagel. For this recipe, you just need 5 simple ingredients. So come, let's get started. So in a mixing bowl, I have taken flour, baking powder and mixed it well, and to it I added the cottage cheese. But for this video I have used a food processor, so I combined everything, cottage cheese, flour and baking powder, and combined it well together, and I allowed the dough to rest for 10 minutes covered with a wet cloth. So let it rest for 10 minutes. While the dough is resting, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now transfer the dough into a counter or a tray and form a log and cut it into even pieces. Now floor the surface and place one piece of dough and roll it into a rope kind and then into a bagel shape, pinching the ends together. Now place on the baking sheet lined with parchment paper and repeat the same with the remaining dough. So continue doing this until all the dough has been used. In a small bowl, whisk the egg. Brush these bagels with an egg wash and sprinkle some toppings like sesame seeds, poppy seeds, or just leave it plain. Now bake the prepared bagels in the middle rack for 25 minutes or until it's golden brown and puffy, and once done, remove from the oven and let it rest for 15 minutes. Then slice, spread and enjoy your protein bagels with your favorite toppings. I just sliced it down and ate it with my cream cheese and it was so delicious. These cottage cheese bagels turned out way better than I expected, and I just couldn't stop with one. And these are so high in protein and they are so easy to make and they taste delicious too. So today we seem to add cottage cheese, so you can try it with Greek yogurt too, and I think they turn out the same way, as delicious as this. If you like this video, like, comment and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And next week we will see with another interesting video. Until then, bye bye.